boys and girls. This week we've been learning a lot about numbers. We learned about 0, we learned about 1 and 2 and 3. And today we're going to review all of those numbers and see what you remember. We're going to start off by going over our counting person. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Let's do it again. 1, 2, 3. Let's do it on our counting person. 1, 2, 3. One more time. 1, 2, 3. Great work. Now, I have a problem. I have some things on my paper, and I'm not sure how many there are of each of them, and I need your help. Do you think you can help me? Great. Okay, I'm going to share my screen with you. Uh-oh, here it is. So here's my paper, and I have some bears on there, I have some squares, and I have a marker. And I'm not sure how many of each I have. I could really use your help. So first, let's take a look at my, my squares. Can you help me count them and figure out how much there are? 1, 2. There are 2 squares. I'm going to put them in a circle together and write 2. Down and back, down the railroad track. 2, 2, 2, 2. Awesome. Now let's look at the markers. How many markers are there? 1. Just 1 marker. I'm going to put my marker in a circle and write the number 1. I start at the top and draw a straight line down. Wow, you're being so helpful. What about the bears? How many bears are there? Let's count. 1, 2, 3. 3 bears. I'll put them in a circle. Around the tree, around the tree. That is how you make a 3. Thank you so much for your help with that. I can put these away now that I know how many I have of each. Now I'm going to erase my board. And I want to practice writing those numbers. When I write a number, I want you to tell me what it is. Let's see, what number will I start with? What number is that? Yes, that's the number 2. Around and back down the railroad track. 2, 2, 2, 2. I'm going to write a whole row of 2s. And where do I start my numbers? At the top. Where do I start my numbers? At the top. Awesome. Now, I'm going to write another number, and you see if you can tell me what it is. What number is that? 1. Straight line down. That's how you make a 1. All it is a straight line down. And where do I start my 1s? At the top, of course. All right, here's the next number. Around the tree, around the tree. That is how we make a 3. You got it. Great work. Let's make some more 3s. Around the tree and around the tree. That is how you make a 3. And where do I start my 3s? At the top. You always, always, always start at the top when you're writing. Last number. Can you guess it? If you guess 0, you got it. A 0 is a circle that starts at the top, and the bottom of the circle touches the bottom line. I've noticed that you boys and girls have done a great job staying in between the 3 lines when writing your zeros. Give yourself a pat on the back for that. That's awesome stuff right there. So you're going to be doing the same thing on your paper. You might write them in a different order. Maybe you have 0, 1, 2, 3, but I want you to fill a line with a number and make sure you're doing all of the numbers, okay? And then I want you either on here or on a blank piece of paper or on Seesaw to draw me. You're going to draw 0 elephants. Then you're going to draw 1 butterfly. Ooh, I'm going to draw 1 butterfly right here, right now. So you have an example. Here's 1 butterfly. Then I want you to draw 2 squares. There's 1 square. Here's another square. And then I want you to draw 3 hearts. Do they have to be perfect? No. But do you have to try? Yes. And remember, the reason my 0 is blank is because if you have 0 elephants, it means you have none. So I can't draw anything. I loved reviewing with you guys, and I can't wait to see your numbers, and I can't wait to see your pictures. Happy working!